In this video we are going to compare and unbox Pexpo and Milton thermosteel bottle. You can see here BPA free 304 stainless steel thermosteel. Okay, tri-price technology. Okay, in Pexpo and Milton you can see the price comparison. Let's see the price. The Pexpo is 949 rupees in the MRP and the Milton price is 1450, and you can buy this Milton in the Amazon at 1000 rupees, and Pexpo is also available in Amazon, that is 600 rupees. Only 400 slight change or difference in both these in price. Okay, let's see by unboxing. Let's start the unboxing. First I will unbox the Pexpo, then Milton. Okay, let's open Pexpo. You can see clearly Pexpo. Let's see. Here's the Pexpo bottle. Tri-ply vacuum. You can see clearly bottom Pexpo printed below the bottom of the bottle. Okay, let's see inside the bottle. Let's open the cap and see inside. Okay, you can see the quality of the cap. Okay, let's see inside. Here you can see. I will turn on. I will show you inside clearly. You can observe clearly inside. Okay, here you can see no grip on this bottle almost. Anyhow, nice structure and good quality, and this is height is high, and bottom also you can observe shiny, glossy, nice look also. Has been a great product. Okay, let's see the Milton. Let's see the Milton. Let's unbox Milton thermosteel. Here comes the Milton. Here you can see Milton. The Milton bottle has little bulgy than Pexpo, and height is less due to bulginess. The volume has been increased. That's it. Same quality, same volume. That is, both are 1 liter bottles only. Here you can see the structure, threading of the bottle also. You can see the inside of the bottle. Same, almost same looks, and below of the bottle Milton branded logo will be there. Print, that is. Okay. Let's compare both now. Both are same, almost same design, same look. Okay, Pexpo, left side is Pexpo and right side is Milton, and below at the Milton you can observe lines for clearly observe the grip, that is acts as a grip, easy to hold the Milton bottle than Pexpo bottle. Okay, easy to hold Milton, and Pexpo has no grip for holding. Okay, both are the 2022 manufactured bottles. In this here you can observe same, almost bottom and neckline, cap also same look, almost same look, and here only the grip has been given in the Milton. That's the best benefit, one of the benefit, and same, almost same quality and same, both are same. You can choose any one of them according to your price. You can go for it, or you can go for the both are good. You can choose anyone as you wish. Okay, you can choose both from my side, almost same. Okay, thanks for watching guys.